Yuvi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What you were doing?
I was playing with my toys.
Oh, can you show us?
Yeah.
Looks so cool.
Yes,
Yeah. So, have you prepared your challenge of the week?
yes.
What was your challenge?
Governors of India.
Yes, correct. So, I will ask you these states and you have to tell us the governors of all the 28 states of India.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So, are you ready for that?
Yes.
So, can you please blindfold yourself?
Okay.
Okay, can you show us your ears? Yes. Great. So, shall we begin?
Yes.
So, the first one is Andhra Pradesh.
Biswa Bhushan Harichandran.
Pardon? Can you say it again?
Biswa Bhushan Harichandran.
Yes. Arunachal Pradesh,
B.D. Mishra.
Assam,
Jagdish Mukhi.
Bihar,
Fagu Chauhan.
Chhattisgarh,
Anusuya Yuki.
Goa,
Goa. Bhagat Singh Koshyari.
Gujarat,
Acharya Devrat.
Haryana,
Haryana Narayan. Satyadev Narayan Arya.
Good.
Yes.
Himachal Pradesh,
Himachal. Bandaru Dattatreya.
Jharkhand,
Draupadi Murmu.
okay.
Yes.
Karnataka,
Karnataka. Vajubhai Wala.
great. Kerala,
Arif Muhammad Khan.
Madhya Pradesh,
Madhya Pradesh. Anandibin Patel.
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra. Bhagat Singh Koshyari.
good. Manipur,
Najma Heptullah.
Meghalaya,
Meghalaya is Satyapal Malik.
yes, correct. Mizoram,
P.S. Sridharan Pillai.
pardon,
P.S. Sridharan Pillai.
Pillai, correct.
Yes.
Nagaland,
Nagaland. R. N. Ravi.
Odisha,
Odisha. Ganeshi Lal. Yes.
yes. Punjab,
V.P. Singh Badnoor.
correct. Rajasthan,
Rajasthan. Kalraj Mishra.
correct. Sikkim,
Sikkim. Ganga Prasad.
Tamil Nadu,
Banwari Lal Purohit.
yes.
Purohit.
Telangana,
Tamilisai Saundararajan. Yes.
Yeah, say it again.
Tamilisai Sondararajan.
Yes, Sondara Rajan. Yes. Tripura.
Tripura Ramesh Bes.
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh.
Yes, Uttar Pradesh.
Anandibin Patel.
Wonderful. Uttarakhand.
Baby Rani Moya.
Yes. And the last one, West Bengal.
Jagdeep Dhankar.
Yes, wonderful, Yuvansh. You have given us all the correct answers.
Yes.
Yes. So, as promised, if you have your score will be above 95%, you will get a toy.
Yay!
And this time you have scored 100%.
Yes.
So here is your toy.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
You like it?
yes.
Can you show us? Good. So, do you want to say something to your subscribers?
Yes. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye.